In today's video, I am going to teach you how to send recurring emails in Gmail. Gmail does not include a built-in feature for truly recurring emails, so the easiest way to do this is with a third-party Chrome extension. Popular options include recurring emails, boomerang, or right inbox. In this walkthrough, I will show you the process using an extension that adds a recurring option alongside your regular Gmail tools. Start by opening Gmail and going to your inbox. Once you are in, look for the recurring option that the extension adds to your Gmail interface, and click it. This takes you into the extension's dashboard, where you can create and manage scheduled messages. Next, click New Email. This opens a new recurring email setup screen where you can build the message you want sent on a schedule. You will see an area where you can type, so go ahead and enter your email content in the highlighted field. Take your time here because whatever you write will be reused each time the schedule runs. After you have entered your text, click Edit. This opens the email editor so you can adjust the details. Click back into the highlighted content area and continue refining your message. You may repeat this cycle a few times, clicking Edit and then selecting the highlighted sections to confirm the content is exactly the way you want it. As you do this, pay attention to the subject line, the recipients, and the body text, since recurring emails are most effective when they are clear and consistent. Once the email content is set, click Schedule. This is where you define when Gmail will send the message automatically through the extension. In the scheduling area, click through the highlighted options to choose the timing and recurrence pattern. You will see choices that let you set the frequency and the specific days. In this example, select First, then select First again, and then choose Workday. After that, click Mode to set Monday as the day. Continue clicking through the highlighted fields to confirm the remaining schedule settings, including the time and any other recurrence details shown. Finally, set the time zone by selecting Abidjan UTC plus 0000, so the send time matches the correct region. At this point, your recurring email is configured and scheduled. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.